Pan hasn't had an interest in sticks in like, well, she's 13, like 12 years. So Pixie is with her favorite toy, a stick. And Pan suddenly decided, I'm gonna chew a stick too. Pan, what do you, Pan, 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 you have not had a stick in like 12 years. What are you doing? You're only, you're holding that thing down too. You're only doing that because you think you're taking a stick away from Pixie. Pixie. Did you know Pan's trying to take your stick? Trying to take a stick from you? Pan. Pan. You're acting like a child. Pan. 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 I'm here, Pan. I know, Pan. I know, Pan. Oh, look! Oh, we had a little convergence. And she's gonna finish eating that stick. Pan, I don't think that... Honey, give me the stick. That's not good for you. It might... This one might even have thorns, dude. Oh, now Polly wants a stick. And you haven't eaten sticks since, about 11 years, since you're 12. Really, guys? Really, guys? You're like little kids. You're just like little kids. You're just like little kids. I know, you're just like little kids. Yes, you're like little kids. Polly, don't eat that. You've already been eating questionable weeds.